welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you proven fixes for Wi-Fi button grayed out on an iPhone or iPad. Why is Wi-Fi grayed out on my iPhone or iPad, and how to fix Wi-Fi button grayed out on iPhone or iPad? Are these questions what you are confused after you update your iOS device? Well, actually you are not alone. A few other Apple users are also beset with this trouble. Apart from this, the Wi-Fi slider becomes frozen on iPhone too. According to some iPhone customers' feedback, with so many complaints on non-tech forums, what can you do to get rid of this common problem? So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check airplane mode. Sometimes airplane mode switch turned on will give rise in the Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, etc. features dysfunction. If you switch it on by mistake, you can go to iPhone and iPad settings. Then tap on the airplane mode toggle button to disable this feature, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. The correct settings related network make sure the normal perform of Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the Wi-Fi button grays out, you are suggested to reset the network settings on your iOS device by going to settings, scroll down and choose general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, then choose reset, and then choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is force reboot your iPhone or iPad. Once the Wi-Fi button get grays out or not responsive, you could have a try force restarting your iPhone. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is factory reset iPhone or iPad. Go to settings, choose general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, then choose reset and choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings, and you are done. And the next step is restore iPhone and iPad via iTunes. You can restore your iPhone or iPad to solve the problem of Wi-Fi grayed out or the Wi-Fi slider frozen with the help of iTunes app. This also takes risk in data loss, so you are also recommended to have the backup of your device. Then connect your iPhone or iPad to computer and run iTunes. Click summary and restore iPhone. Confirm the restore order again and restore your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Wi-Fi button grayed out on iPhone and iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.